Hello there, and then welcome to a brand new lesson. This is Happy Beyond Numbers, where we learn maths the easy way. Now, in this lesson, we are solving the question you see on the screen, and it's actually a past question on set and then operation on set. So, without much ado, let's quickly look into it. It says if x, that is set x, is made up of prime numbers less than 13, and then set y is odd numbers less than 13, we have to list the members of x and y. You have to list the members of x intersection y, then x union y. So let's look at how we can approach this question. So our solution, looking at y, looking at x first, we are saying x is what? Prime numbers less than what? 13. Prime numbers less than 13. We know what prime numbers are. So prime numbers are numbers that have just two factors. And for our prime numbers, we have 2, then we have 3, we have 5, 7, and then 11. The next prime number, which is 13, isn't going to be included because they said less than 13. You see that? So it simply means you are going to end with what? 11. Then we come to y. So y says what? Odd numbers less than 13. Odd numbers less than 13. And for our odd numbers, we start with what? The 1. Then we have 3, 5, 7, 9, and then 11. 13 is also an odd number, but because it says less than 13, we don't include the 13. So that answers the first part of the question. Then if you look at the second part, it says we should list the elements or the members of x intersection y. So intersection simply has to do with what these two sets have in common. So if you look at these two sets carefully, you realize that they have 3 in common, they have 5 in common, they have 7 also in common, and also they have 11 in common. You see, so for x intersection y, then that is going to be what? The element we have circled above there, and that is 3, 5, 7, and then 11. Those are what? Our x intersection y. Then for x union y, that simply means you should write out all the elements together. You see, so you combine the element of x with that of y, and then that is going to be your union. So you have 1, 2, 3. You know that when listing out unions, you don't write the repeated numbers twice. You just write one of them. So 1, 2, 3, then 5, 7, 9, and then 11. That is going to be our union. So let's write that here. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, and then 11. That is our union, and that answers the question we see over here. So that'll be it for this lesson, and as usual, I'll leave some exercises for you to try just to test your understanding. So here they are just as similar to the one we just did. Okay, so try your best and then do them to test your understanding. See you in our next lesson. Bye for now.